Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Gumroad checkout for digital products, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Gumroad account. Once logged in, navigate to the Products tab on the dashboard. Click on the Add a Product button. Select the Digital Product option. Enter your product title in the provided field. Upload your digital file by dragging it into the designated area or by clicking to upload. Fill in the product description to give potential buyers more information. Set the price for your digital product in the pricing section. Enable the option for customers to pay what they want if desired. Scroll down to configure additional settings like license keys or download limits. Look for the checkout section and click on it to access the checkout configuration. Customize the checkout fields to collect the necessary information from buyers. Choose whether you want to enable email receipts for your customers. You can also add a thank you message to display after a successful purchase. Make sure to preview the checkout experience to ensure it meets your needs. Once satisfied, return to the product page and click the Publish button. Your digital product is now live and ready for sales. Test the checkout process by purchasing your product for an added layer of security. After confirming it works smoothly, you are ready to share your product link. Remember to monitor your sales and adjust your settings as necessary over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.